Hey guys, welcome back. Today's quick tip is to keep your battery top clean. Right now we're in the middle of a heat wave where every day is over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And usually when that happens, my batteries spit up a little bit of water out of the vent caps over here. So I like to bring the car in, clean it up, refill it with distilled water, and put it back in service. So before I do that, I want to show you something that I think is pretty neat. So maybe you saw it in the thumbnail, and I'll try to show you here, but right around these vent caps, the acid water solution is bubbling out because of the high temperatures. And it's going to be all around these caps, and I'm going to move around and try to give you a good shot of it with the glare. Okay, so hopefully you saw that. So all of that acid water solution coming out of here is actually conducting electricity, and you're losing power through a parasitic draw. So I've got my meter here set up, and I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to put the negative on the negative and the positive on the positive to show you system voltage. So there it is, 12.47. So I'm going to leave my negative on the negative terminal. Now watch what happens when I touch a dry part of the battery. See, there's no voltage. I've got no reading. Now watch what happens when I move it around where the water is. See that? 5.9 volts. Over here is 2.6. Over here is 8 volts. Over here 5.5. Over here 8 volts. So all of your battery's electricity is spilling out through a parasitic draw, and that's not good. So keep the tops of your batteries clean. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.